Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Merly and today I'm going to demonstrate two conducting patterns, duple meter and triple meter, and we will also apply it to popular songs. Before we begin, here are our lesson objectives. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to define and differentiate duple and triple meter, demonstrate the conducting pattern, apply them to the songs, and associate duple meter with marching and waltzing, as you can see in the picture on the slide. Are you excited? Let's go! First, let's talk about duple meter. Duple meter has two beats per measure, strong and weak. And the conducting pattern is simply down, up, motion. Okay, let me show it to you. Down, up, down, up. The counting is 1, 2, 1, 2. Both arms. 1, 2, 1, 2. Down, up, down, up. Now, let's practice the conducting pattern for duple meter. It's a simple down-up motion. While I sing the song, When the Saints Go Marching In, I want you to practice the conducting pattern. If you can, also march in place with your feet to match the duple meter. So are you ready? Let's go! Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Lord, I want to be in the number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. All right. Next, let's talk about triple meter. Triple meter has 3 beats per measure, and the conducting pattern is down, right, up, motion. Let me show it to you. Down, right, up, down, right, up. The counting is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Both arms. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Down, right, up, down, right, up. All right. Now let's practice the conducting pattern for triple meter. It's simply down, right, up, motion. While I sing My Bonnie Lies Over the Ocean, I want you to practice the conducting pattern. If you can, try to move your feet in a waltz motion to match the rhythm. So, let's go! My bonnie lies over the ocean. My bonnie lies over the sea. My bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my bonnie to me. Bring back, bring back. Oh, bring back my bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, bring back. Oh, bring back my bonnie to me. Wow, great job! Now, let's compare the two conducting patterns. Duple meter has 2 beats per measure, strong and weak. The conducting pattern is simply down, up, motion. The counting is 1, 2, 1, 2, down, up, down, up. And we also associated it with marching. Left, right, left, right. Okay, now on the triple meter, it has 3 beats in a measure, and the conducting pattern is simply down, right, up, down, right, up. The counting is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We also associated it with the waltz, step, close, step, step, close, step. Today, we learn about duple and triple meter and how to conduct them. I encourage you to practice with different songs and explore how conducting helps musicians stay in rhythm. Thank you for watching and happy conducting! Bye!